In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sunburst chart in Tableau. This chart is a wonderful way to visualize hierarchical data, allowing you to see both individual sections and the larger whole they comprise all at one glance. To start, open your Tableau public app, which is available for free online. Then proceed to open your worksheet where you'll be creating your Sunburst chart. Now we'll begin our process by moving on to the Analysis tab located on the top menu bar and selecting Create Calculated Field. Here you'll name your field Position. This is where you'll enter your calculation query. Once you're done typing your query, go ahead and click on OK. Now that you've set up your position, you'll want to double-click on it to bring it into the view area. Next, we're going to change the visualization type to a pie chart. To do this, on the marks card, select the drop-down and pick Pie. After changing the visualization, rename the field to Category. This will help when adding further layers to your chart. With category now in place, you can drag it onto the color section on the marks card. This will allow Tableau to visually differentiate each of these sections by color, creating clearer visual demarcations. Following this, drag your sales field to the angle area on the marks card. This action sets up the measure that defines the size of each pie slice based on your sales data. To add depth to our chart, we'll generate another layer. Drag position into the map. If you do it right, you should see another pie chart layer appearing. As we did before, change this pie chart and rename the field to Subcategory. Once it's renamed, drag Category to Color and your subcategory to Detail. This enhances the detail of your visualization by adding more nuanced distinctions between categories. After you've done so, place Sales under Angle once again. Remember to tidy up your visualization by removing any latitude and longitude that may have accidentally been added. Then, let's adjust our view. Set it to Entire View to ensure that all of your data is displayed in a single glance without needing to scroll or zoom. Next, reorder the category and subcategory fields so they make sense for your data representation. Adjust the size of your subcategory segments to your liking, increasing or decreasing them as necessary. If you prefer, you can also slightly decrease the color opacity for a softer visual result. To provide further context in your visualization, add Sales to Label and change it to show the percent of total. Similarly, add Subcategory to Label. Do the same for Category, dragging it to Label, followed by dragging Sales again and converting it to percent of total for this section too. Finally, add finishing touches by customizing label colors. For Category, adjust the label color to white to ensure it stands out against the pie slices. For Subcategory, modify the label to match the mark color, and there you have it, a comprehensive Sunburst chart that effectively conveys layers of hierarchical data.